Whoa, Mendel is going shopping, and he has his own shopping cart, and he this is not the good part of the video. He's balancing on the cart, and he's walking. Two hands. He's getting a little tired. Okay, let's show everybody how you walk. Rachel, you want to fix it? Oh, that's it?
Is that it?
Are you done?
No, he wants to reach.
Okay, let's see. Whoa. Very good. Good job. Here, this way. Yay! Crash. Is that it?
No, he wants to. You have to go in front of him. Hit his face when he crashes.
Okay, let's turn you around. Crash! 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 Should Mommy help you? You gotta turn the flash back on. Okay, let's bring it this way. Come here. Bring it to Mommy. Come.
Hey, put your hands a little more further away.
He's walking. You're just walking by yourself? You're taking a little stroll? Okay, you're doing it. Crash! Crash!
If you hit his face when he crashes, it's just like.
Ready?
Wow. Let him crash with you.
Oh, he's turning the cart by himself. Good job. I can't keep up with him. Whoa. Crash! You following Mommy? This is how you're going to learn how to walk?
He's learning a sense of direction.
Where are you going? Crash! Whoa! Okay.